Wonder if that's a pond or a river or something. It's a lot of snow for sure. Try to find a way. It looks like a water body. I think I see some ice. POV, Red Dead Redemption. Can't tell because I don't have my glasses on. Never walked this trail before. At my dad's house. Walked all kinds of trails at my mom's. Yeah, that's definitely water. Like, I've walked at my dad's house before, but it was just around the neighborhood. Never walked in the woods over here. Definitely water. Is that a dam or something? Heck. So it's like a body of water into a lower body. If it was actually frozen, play some hockey on it. Mr. Mazer out here. 8th grade joke. Always check behind you every 30 to 40 seconds when you walk in the woods. You know? Especially if you're in the snow and you're leaving the trail. Oh yeah, that's some sort of creek or pond. Some houses over there. Pole. I feel like I'm in a horror movie scene. Could be a horror movie character making dumb decisions, you know? I want to see what that pole says. This is a nice trail. Love to hunt it, if legal. Some houses over there, probably a development. Sewer line. Yeah, this is sewers. Sewer trail. Makes sense. There's a house over there. Houses over there. Probably go back soon. Like, I know the way I came here, but at the same time, if I were to forget, it'd be nice to have that trail of footsteps. More sewers, more houses, more trails, more fun. Love to go on actual walks like this for long.